Hey, thanks for coming back for another unboxing and review. Now today we decided we're going to purchase a USB hub slash switch. And you're probably wondering, okay, what's this all about? Well, I needed to be able to turn on and off USB connections when I don't need them anymore. This will help with my videos and etc. and my devices. So I researched and looked for something that was cost effective. I didn't want to blow too much because I'm on a budget. I'm, a starving creator. So, I'd start off something that was half decent and decently priced. And this is what we got today. This is made by Atolla, and it's how can I say this? It goes by a bunch of different names. This one has some pretty good reviews, but there are some other names for the similar device it goes under. And based on overall what I experienced, I decided to go with the Atolla brand because it seemed to be overall the most positive reviews. So here it is. We received it from Amazon. Open it up here, see what we got inside. You can read it better here. This is the back part of it. And check out what we have. Looks like power adapter. Wow, okay. Can it be any bigger? It's not like I'm trying to jump start a car, which makes sense from a lot of the reviews I read. They're like, yeah, the power AC adapter is it's pretty big. More big than it should be. Okay, so that's that. And then of course, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. This is the actual switchable USB hub. All right. So of course, let's go over here. This plugs into your computer, and of course here's your USB banks. The blue ones are supposed to be for data transfer, hooking up to your computer. The red ones are supposed to be for charging and power. Pretty smooth, solid design, not bad. And other than your packaging, your quick start guide. I'm just going to put that over there. Your quick start guide, which basically covers, and if you don't know how to use a USB hub, then there's probably some other issues to deal with. How to connect, what it can connect to, everything else. Okay, that's a quick start guide. Here, of course, is the USB hub. Bring that over a little more over there. And then your power adapter. Okay, so that's the unboxing part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly do a connection and see whether or not it works. So here's the USB switch. Bring it a little more into frame. Put that there. Plugs in the power right about there. Boom. Has a little bit of a light up, which is good. Everything changes color. I'll turn down my lights a little here so you can get a better idea of what's going on. See how it lights up? Nice colors. Add to a little bit of style in your environment. All right. Now I'll do a simple little test with the fan. Make sure everything's working good. So I got that one connected right. I do. Oh, might help if I wasn't holding down the spinning. off. Okay, good firm grip on it. Let's see what happens when we put it here. Okay, so that one's on. Got a lot more power out of that one. Greater spin. Off. So you got to give them a little bit of a hold. So this is good because you're not going to trigger them accidentally. You actually have to hold for a second or two. That's pretty good. Just go random. Boom. Yeah. So you're not really going to worry about blowing anything because, I mean, this fan doesn't require a lot of power. The biggest concern I had was the charging ports. But charging ports are okay. Excellent. No smoke, no fire. Yeah, I'd say it's a good purchase. For what it costs, it was pretty economical. It was not that expensive. And it's solid build. Like, it's not, you know when you get those, some of those devices, they're flimsy. This is not flimsy. This is like, this is solid state. Like, it's, you can't really falter that one. You can't break that. Cord solid, not heating up. Yeah. No, I would say definitely a good purchase. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and quick review. I will post a link on the description of the video for more details as where you can purchase one yourself. And here's the model number if you want to see it there. So check the description for the link to purchase one yourself. Definitely a recommended buy so far, based on reviews and based on what I'm seeing now. Yeah, I think it was definitely worthwhile. All right, thanks for watching. See you next video.